Ever dreamt of renovating a home or snatching up a fixer-upper, but stumbled over the financial aspect? Today, we're diving deep into the magic of the 203K FHA construction loan. What is a 203K FHA loan? The Federal Housing Administration, better known as FHA, offers a unique financial tool. It's not just about traditional mortgages. They have the 203K loan, which allows you to purchase a home and fund its renovation all within a single loan package. Think of it as a one-stop shop for both buying and sprucing up your home. Types of 203K loans. The 203K loan comes in two variants. The standard 203K is for homes that need some heavy lifting, structural changes, significant renovations, or room additions. Then there's the limited 203K, ideal for lighter touch-ups like a bathroom redo, a fresh coat of paint, or sprucing up the kitchen. Benefits of the 203K loan. Why go for the 203K loan? Several enticing reasons. First, it combines your purchasing and renovation loans, making the process more streamlined. Plus, these loans often carry lower interest rates compared to other home improvement finance routes. Additionally, they let you finance up to 110% of the home's projected value after all those renovations, potentially giving you a home that's not just beautiful, but also a sound investment. How does it work? It's pretty direct. Start by finding a qualifying property. Once that's done, get estimates from professionals for the intended repair and remodeling. This gives clarity on the loan amount you'll need. Once your loan's greenlit, you can kick off the renovation. Repair payments are usually distributed in phases. When everything's wrapped up, a final inspection ensures all is in order, and then the final renovation funds get released. Use cases. Let's bring this to life. Sarah and Mark chanced upon a vintage house in a stellar neighborhood. Using the 203K loan, they not only snagged the property, but revamped it into their dream space, all without breaking the bank. Then there's the Johnson family. After a flood hit their home, the 203K loan was their lifeline. They didn't just rebuild, they upgraded, making their home even better than before. And don't forget Alex. This smart investor saw potential in an old, overlooked property. With the 203K loan in his arsenal, he transformed it into a high-demand rental space. Key considerations. While the 203K loan is tempting, it has its rules. Not every property will fit the bill. There's a limit to the amount you can borrow. And remember, renovations often come with surprises. Ensure your budget has some wiggle room and always work with trusted, experienced contractors. How to apply? Securing a 203K loan isn't that different from other mortgages, but there's an added layer, the renovation aspect. Your credit score, documentation, and those crucial professional renovation estimates will be central to your application. Closing thoughts. The 203K FHA construction loan is more than a loan. It's a golden ticket for potential homeowners and savvy investors. If you've got the vision, this might just be the tool to bring it to reality. Found this enlightening? Share it with others who might be looking to transform a space into a sanctuary or a solid investment.